Hi, Mr. Lemaster here. Let's start with the question. Other than comparison, because there are comparisons in this text, the author uses blank to explain how he lived in China. So we're looking for one of these words to fill in here, something else that the writer does in addition to comparison. All right, so our options are definition, which is the definition of a word, so an explanation of a word or a phrase. Sequence of events, that's where we see time in order, right? That things happen first, second, third, or first, then next, looking for a sequence of events or sequence of ideas. Narration, which is storytelling, and then description. And these two go hand in hand. Narration and description are very similar in that description is often found in narration. And a good story has description. So that is true that these two are close. But there is a difference. Narration is when someone tells a story. Description is when someone describes something. So let's look at this paragraph. Let's just kind of skim through it here. He talks about the brick in the United States not being the same as the blue brick in his father's house. And then he says one story high, roof with red tiles, surrounded by a stone, stone wall. Very old, very honorable. Then we've got, skimming down to here, men in a village have farms. And then in their village, they go out during the day and work in the farms. Okay, fine. My father has a farm, 10 acres, in which he grows a great abundance of things, sweet potatoes, rice, beans, peas, yam, sugar. Okay, so there's a lot of listing and lots of different nouns here, lots of adjectives. So what the author is doing here in addition to comparison is description. So I want to go ahead and click description because that's what's happening here. There isn't a story being told, there isn't a word being defined, but there is description. There's lots of different, not ideas, but places being described, and so it's description.